Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to use PaPing on Linux system. In the day-to-day operation, Linux admin used to face network-related issues. For example, network connectivity issue, intermittent network traps, network latency, fault filter. So in this case, there is in the market there is n number of tools available. So one of the tool is PaPing. We are going to use and I'm going to explain how to use this tool in the Linux operating system. This tool can be used for Windows as well. This is one of the tool can be used for the Linux operating system. So I'm going to explain how to install this tool and how to use this tool from our Linux operating system. First, you need to log into your Linux system. So you can download the software. You can go to the Google and download the PaPing. You can download it from the internet. From the internet, you can go to this site. You can download the PaPing software. So go to the download section. From there, you can download for Windows as well, also for Linux as well. So I already have this tool in my system. I'm going to show you that how to install this tool. So first of all, you need to download this tool. So using wget, I already have the URL. So I'm going to install my system. Let me show you how to do that. Now I'm going to download the software. Yes, it's downloaded. It is in my temp directory. So the next step, you need to extract that software which you downloaded from the internet using PaPing. Using tar command, you can extract it. Once you downloaded, copy this PaPing into your user bin directory. So every time you can execute directly in the using PaPing. Once you done, give the execute permission. So that also I have done. For example, if you want to check the whatever options are there using PaPing, you can use PaPing-h. These are the options which can be used to based on your need. For example, -p for port. So using this option, you can change the port number -p, T for connection timeout, and C for count, how many number of packet you need to send. Okay, the default millisecond is 1000. For example, I am going to check the connectivity, port 22 connectivity to the one of the node from my system. I am going to show you that. You can see it is equal to the ping, ICMP ping, how we are doing the same TCP ping, we can do it from this tool. Also, you can mention that how many packets I am going to send. For example, I am going to send 4 packets. So only 4 packets I am sending. You can see here it's connecting to this system, and this is the latency, and this is the protocol, and which is the port number I am using. So this is one of the good tool you can start use for your day-to-day operation. Thanks for watching.